So I also wanted to ask, because when I'm talking to customers, I can see sort of this trend where some customers, they have a lot of different, you could call it like pointing solutions into their own more or less in-house system, a bit from this service provider, a bit from this service provider, whereas our approach is very much focusing on an end-to-end full platform suite, where we sort of go and replace all the different solutions that they have currently. Could you talk a bit into how you see that, and maybe also the advantages of using a sort of full end-to-end platform like ZeroNorth?
So first of all, I mean, these systems, if you build the best system in the world, from the user interface perspective, or the colors and data scheme, in the end, what matters is what is the background or the base data in these systems based on which the calculations or decisions are being made. If as an individual shipping company, I can make a best of the systems, but it will still be based on my data from my 50 or 100 or 150 ships. Now let's compare it to a company like ZeroNorth, who is building these systems, and behind the system, the algorithm or the machine learning tools or AI, which is based on billions of data points from a huge pool of the vessels. And that's what makes us stronger. That in addition to having an ecosystem of shipping tools, shipping expertise to provide the right services to our customers, we are also basing it on a huge pool of data, which we are collecting from all the ships of our customers, while still keeping the integrity of the data. We anonymize and use this data to make our algorithms more smarter day by day, to create the better fuel models of each vessel, or to make better weather routing models for the routing. So that's what will make difference in the end.
Yeah, so data wins, you could say.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I could also sort of see the situation where if you go and you build something that is, also you said that all the shipping companies are very idiosyncratic or very unique in a way. They are, of course, similarities, but they also have adopted their own way of working. So what you get if you go and build a system either by using services from multiple suppliers or building something yourself is maybe something that would work very well in the current environment, like right now. But with the regulation always changing and basically machine learning sort of capacity changing, I guess you could also sort of risk being a bit stuck in the past if you do it that way. Whereas with our platform, I can see us really moving fast ahead in terms of being ready for example, fuel EU maritime. We need that sort of forward thinking and forward understanding of the regulation coming, and I think that's a key differentiator for ZeroNorth.
Yeah. I mean, like we keep repeating it, that end goal is to reduce the emissions or making the shipping trade green.
Yeah.
And as all of us understand, it's not a individual game. We all have to help each other, and how can we help each other is by learning from each other. So let's say our tool or the services we have, or the experts or subject matter experts we have behind, they are learning from different customers. So if you want to solve an issue and you have never experienced it, maybe someone else in the industry who we're talking to, who we are providing services to, have experience, and we have solved it in a way together with them. Then the other customers can also take advantage of that knowledge we have, and we are gathering day by day.
So that's like a translatable best practice. And because we have so many vessels on the platform, I think it's 4,500 or something at the moment, we are exposed to a lot of best practice from various companies, and we are able to bring that into the companies that are not moving as fast, you could say that.
So every new feature or solution we bring into our platform is based on feedback from one of our customers. And definitely there are other customers out there who are running similar vessels or running a similar business who can take advantage of those great ideas coming from the shipping industry.
So when we do a product release built for a specific customer based on a specific requirement from that customer, then that actually becomes available to all the customers.
Exactly.
And that's the beauty of the platform, right?
Yes.
Yeah.